The field of humanoid robotics is taking a big leap forward, with real-world applications being piloted, and this year marks a significant turning point. Last year, Amazon became a pioneer by testing Agility's Digit robots in some of their distribution centers, the hubs where products are stored, sorted, and shipped out to customers. Just this January, the trend continued when Figure, another company, announced a partnership with the car giant BMW to explore how humanoid robots can be utilized. Now, Apptronik is the latest player to enter the game, forming a collaboration with Mercedes-Benz. The Texas-based robotics company says they'll be working with Mercedes-Benz to figure out exactly how these new, super-developed robots can be used in their factories. Neither company has revealed how many robots will be involved, which is pretty common for these initial testing phases. It likely won't be a huge number, since this technology is still quite new. Despite the small scale, these partnerships benefit both sides. It's a big publicity win for Apptronik, showcasing their technology alongside a prestigious name like Mercedes-Benz. This shows potential investors and customers that their robots are in demand. Mercedes appears forward-thinking to its audience by embracing new technology. But the real test is yet to come. If the pilot program is successful and Mercedes orders a large number of robots, that would be a huge win for Apptronik and a sign of things to come for the entire humanoid robotics industry. There's a lot of money flowing into humanoid robots lately, with companies like Figure pulling in a whopping $675 million investment. The next few years will be crucial for these businesses. They need to show that these fancy robots can actually make their investors a good return on their investment. Apptronik CEO Jeff Cardenas sheds light on how Mercedes-Benz envisions using their Apollo robots on the factory floor. The plan is to automate repetitive and physically demanding tasks that don't require a high level of skill. These might involve lifting heavy objects, working in awkward positions, or performing tasks in potentially hazardous environments. Cardenas believes this is a model use case, meaning it's a perfect example of how other companies can leverage humanoid robots. He anticipates seeing similar applications adopted by many organizations in the upcoming months and years, potentially revolutionizing the way manufacturing is done. The term low skill refers to the types of jobs these robots will take over. Think tasks like moving bins or boxes from one place to another. These jobs are repetitive, physically demanding, and crucial for the manufacturing process, but because they're predictable and don't require complex decision-making, they're well suited for automation. It's also important to note that low skill likely reflects a desire to avoid criticism about robots replacing human workers. While humanoid robots are advancing, they're still far from being able to handle the nuanced tasks that truly define skilled labor. However, this gap is getting smaller, with companies like Covariant developing a novel approach to equip robots with learning abilities like chatbots. They achieve this by incorporating camera and sensor data alongside the vast amount of text used to train chatbots like ChatGPT. This combined approach enables robots to gain a significantly deeper comprehension of their surroundings, grasp objects, and even respond to human commands in natural language. Robots can navigate warehouses, pick and move items, and potentially interact with humans in a more intuitive way. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, and until next time, cheerio!